My name is Wu Feng. I'm an associate professor of computer science and electrical and computer engineering here at Virginia Tech. My specialty within computer science is arguably in the area of high performance computing, being able to accelerate the time to discovery, if you will, getting answers faster so that you can discover things in a more efficient and quicker way. So imagine taking some process that's currently manually done in a wet lab and accelerating it to be able to, say, discover a drug faster to attack a particular medical problem. At Virginia Tech, we have the System 10 supercomputer that was the third fastest supercomputer in the world a few years back. It was the fastest academic supercomputer in the world to solve real problems. And that's one scale, one end of the scale. We've also used Sony PlayStation 3s in order to do a lot of genetic sequence search analysis in order to accelerate discoveries in terms of how one virus that's unknown, for example, like what we saw earlier with the swine flu virus, it was unknown what that virus does in relation to what we know about viruses. And when you compare this unknown virus to a bunch of known viruses, when you come up with a close enough match, you realize that the known virus gives you some information about how to attack the unknown virus. I guess what motivates me to come to work every day is just the notion that the things that I do will have some effect or benefit to society somewhere down the line. Some of the things that we're doing, for example, with finding missing genes in genomes will help the biologist or the health person figure out better what that sequence, genetic sequence, the function of it. And maybe be able to help the scientists down the line figure out a better way to discover drugs or to find a cure for cancer. I think that the primary aspect that makes computer science at Virginia Tech stand out is its focus on interdisciplinary work. Once people get out of their shell in terms of thinking that computer science is just about programming computers and understand that it's more about using the knowledge that you gain from that to enable and empower and empower people to do things more easily or things that they wouldn't otherwise be able to do. That's what computer science at Virginia Tech is quite good at doing. You don't see that kind of interdisciplinary work at very many schools.